Mm.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you are
Good
audible.
afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
You all have opted for English literature, correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I am Sharmila Jajodia, Assistant Professor in English. I will teach you English literature as well as CS. Okay. This is English literature lecture, not CS lecture, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So I just wanted to tell you that I will teach you CS as well. Okay. Now you are able to see the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
No, no.
No, no, ma'am.
Now you are able to see
Yes,
the
yes, yes.
screen.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Uh, this is your syllabus for the semester 1. Yours is a semester system. Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
in first semester your syllabus is different. In second semester your syllabus is different in every subject. Okay, not only in English but in every subject. Your in it is this paper is known as FYBA English 1 Introduction to Literature. Maybe in the syllabus or elsewhere it may be also mentioned English ancillary. Okay. So if it is mentioned as English ancillary, then also it is English literature only. Is it clear?
Ma'am.
Hmm. Now in your semester 1, the topics are Unit 1, terms. Okay. So there are some terms given. Elements of novel and short story plot, character setting, narrative theme and point of view, types of novel, Bildungsroman, picaresque, epistolary, psychological novel, historical novel, science fiction, gothic novel. Okay. Bildungsroman, psychological novel, picaresque, epistolary, historical novel, science fiction, gothic novel, detective novel and graphic novel. Then Unit 2 is short stories, 15 lectures. Out of these stories, I will do with you the 2 short stories. Okay, O. Henry is the last leaf, H. Munro the open window. Remaining stories will be done by the other teacher, whoever will come to teach you story. Is it clear? So you can note down what topics I am going to do. Yes, somebody has raised the hand. What do you want to know? Unit 3 contains 2 novels, Mulk Raj Anand's Untouchable or Robert Louis Stevenson, Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Okay, so this is your syllabus for paper 1 English. Okay, now you will be evaluated on the basis of your syllabus. So your internal exam as well as external exam. You must have been told during induction program na how your test will be conducted. Hello, hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Please mute yourself and switch off your videos. Otherwise, you will not be able to listen to me clearly. Is it clear to you?
Ma'am, yes.
Yeah. So, on the basis of this syllabus, you will be evaluated. Internal exam and external exam will happen. Internal exam will be of 40 marks. 20 marks, 2 exams will be there. Okay. And external marks exam will be based on the full syllabus and it will be of 60 marks. Is it clear? So this was regarding your syllabus for the first semester. Okay. Is it clear to you?
Ma'am, can you please send this in the group?
What? The syllabus?
Word,
Yes.
yeah, because it might be useful for us.
Correct. I have made Google Classroom. There I will be sharing with you everything, syllabus and whatever content I will be delivering here in the lecture, that also I will be sharing. Okay. So because there is no group made for FYBA English literature specially. Correct. So you can create a WhatsApp group. Okay. For FYBA English literature students. Hello, please mute your audio. Is it clear? It is available on the college website as well. Okay. Hello, anyone want to know anything else regarding
Go
the
ahead.
syllabus?
No, ma'am, it's okay. Go
Okay.
ahead.
Huh. So now, what is your understanding of literature? Have you studied literature earlier?
No, ma'am, we have studied only basic English.
Basic English. So you haven't studied literature any time. What is your understanding of literature?
Deep knowledge about English language.
What?
Deep knowledge about English language.
Okay. Deep knowledge about English language. Anybody else?
More of novels or stories.
Okay. Anybody else? Yes, it is English ancillary lecture. It is not English A. Here all 3 division students will be there. A, B, C. It is English literature. If you have opted for communication skills is your compulsory subject. This is your optional subject. You have opted for 3 more subjects na, beside FC, CS, one language. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are correct.
Huh. So if you have opted for English as an optional subject, then this lecture you are supposed to attend. It's for all 3 divisions A, B, C. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Yes.
So what is your understanding of literature? What is literature?
Ma'am, can I say something?
Yes.
So in simple words, the word literature means writing. So from this concept, we can understand that in this subject, we will be able to learn more artistic things about English and
Okay.
about some authors.
Okay. History of English. Divya. Who said history of English? Divya. Literature is history of English language or English literature? Literature is actually derived from the Greek word litera, okay, which means in print, Okay, which means in print and which also means anything which is available in print. Okay, so anything which is available in print is known as literature. Understood? Now see, when you read books on sociology, history, political science, economics, those are also available in print, correct? No? So whether they can be called literature?
No, ma'am, no.
Why?
Because I think the concept of English and sociology, political science is totally different.
No, ma'am. Any written matter can be called as literature.
Okay. Anybody
Ma'am,
else?
generally, yeah, ma'am. Can I say something?
Yes, yes. Why not?
Ma'am, generally, literature refers to different types of text, including novels, non-fiction, poetries, and plays, and among other forms.
Okay. Anybody
Yeah.
else? Now see, literature actually means in print. Okay, so whatever is available, if you go to any shop, okay, and you ask that whether I will get religious literature, they will say yes. Now, if it is available, if you say so, everyone has different understanding of literature, but when we are talking about English literature, no, yeah, literature in any particular language, then it is novels, short story, drama, poetry, autobiography, biography, everything. Okay, is it clear? But the booklet which you get with your washing machine, your mobile phone, how to operate washing machine, how to operate mobile and all, that is also known as literature. Okay, in general. Is it clear to you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
But when we are talking about literature in language, then it means novel, short story, drama, poetry, autobiography, biography, literary essays. Okay, is it clear? So literature means in print and literature means writing. You whoever told was correct. And literature also means not the books written on history, sociology, political science, economics and all. Okay, because that is not literature in any language, that is book of knowledge. Is it clear? So your general definition of literature, you can write, note down: literature is an artistic expression of the happenings of society, happenings of society. Clear? In a particular age, in a particular age. Is it clear to you?
Yes,
You are
ma'am.
able to see the screen, no?
Yes.
In a particular age, using emotion and imagination. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you talk about literature, it's about society, whatever is happening in society. So whatever is happening in society includes human behavior, human activity. Okay. So in a particular age, means like pre-independence period, before 1947, after 1947, using emotion and imagination. Is it clear to you what is literature? Literature is in print. So it is written material. Okay, novel, short story, drama, poetry, autobiography, biography, but it doesn't mean that we don't consider oral literature. See, when printing was not available, when writing was not available, that time people used to share things orally, correct? So stories, narratives, folklores, okay, were transferred from one generation to another generation orally. Is it clear? So oral literature also has value. Understood? Is it clear? So your nursery rhyme which you have learnt in school, or you when you went to school in the beginning, or before going to school also you have learnt poems na, twinkle twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are, correct? What is it? Hello, what is it?
Poem?
It's poem, so it's literature, no?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So literature doesn't mean what you read through education only, when you get admission in school or college and whatever you study as part of your syllabus, that is only literature. It doesn't mean that. Is it clear? So your
It
nursery
doesn't.
rhyme is also part of. In Hindi, you must have recited or heard Chanda Mama Dur Ke and all. Correct?
Yes.
So all these poems,
Yes.
okay, are part of literature.
Literature.
Is it clear? So you can't say that
Yes.
you haven't studied literature. Your study of literature starts since your birth. Your mother tells you lullaby. लोरी सुनाती है ना बचपन में आपको सुलाने के लिए. Is it clear? That is also part of literature. Nursery rhyme, lullaby, okay, lori, and all is part of it. Please mute yourself, otherwise I will go for that. But I am not muting you because then I will not understand whether you are able to understand whatever I am telling you. Okay? Is it clear?
लेक्चर चल रहा है
Mute yourself, please. Those who don't have good study atmosphere at home, in the sense somebody may talk to you, please mute yourself so you don't disturb the whole class. Otherwise, I will go for that. If you want, I can do that then. 1 minute, I'm stopping sharing the screen. I'm muting you all.
Yes.
Okay, otherwise it will disturb the lecture, no? So what I was telling you, now it's gone, I think. You have, yeah. So nursery rhyme, even your lullaby is oral literature. Is it clear to you? Understood? So you can't say you haven't studied literature. All your study, stories, poems, drama, one act play, okay, which you have studied as part of your syllabus, or you have studied out of your choice to entertain yourself, even your stories like Chacha Chaudhary and Sabu. Have you read all such stories? Champak. There used to be one story book. Champak, Nandan. So many. When I was student, I was a child, or I was teenager, we used to read all such stories. Nowadays, you have digital books, e-books. Okay, so all such things, your nursery rhyme, lullaby, whatever is prescribed as part of your syllabus in any language, Hindi, English, Sanskrit, Marathi, Kannada, Urdu, whatever, Gujarati, whatever stories, poetry, novel, drama, short story, one act play, whichever you have read is part of literature. So you can't say that you haven't studied literature. Actually, you start listening to, reading to stay literature since your birth. When your mother is telling you short stories, your grandparents are telling you stories at bedtime, those are also literature only. Is it clear? Hello. Is it clear to you? So poetry, novel, drama, short story. You all note down whatever I am writing on whiteboard. Okay? Typing on the whiteboard. Biography, autobiography, literary essay. All these are part of literature only. Is it clear? Hello. Have you understood whatever I have told you till now? I am asking you all, have you understood whatever I have told you till now?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood,
ma'am.
no? Yeah. So, have you
Yes, ma'am.
noted down whatever I have written on the whiteboard?
मैम 2 मिनट अभी थोड़ा
Yes,
बाकी
ma'am.
है.
बाकी है?
हाँ
Just
2
किसका
2
मिनट
minutes,
बाकी
2
है?
minutes.
We take
Mera.
screenshots.
Okay.
अरे कौन स्क्रीनशॉट लेगा अभी?
Screenshot is not allowed. Oh, please. This lecture is getting recorded. Is it clear? So you can't take screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to you? You have to just listen to.
Ma'am, can you just scroll down from biography, autobiography?
Yeah. Is it visible?
No, I'm not now.
No.
I just want to see biography, autobiography, literature.
See, I as much as I could. Now it's visible.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, it's
Okay.
visible.
Note down so that I can erase it. 1 minute, because you people speak a lot, no? So I have to mute yourself, then only things will happen properly. Is it clear? Everyone has noted down whatever I have written on the whiteboard, typed. Can I erase it? Hello? Is it clear? So whenever you are reading literature, okay, in general, in your syllabus there are various types of literary forms prescribed. What are those literary forms? Novel, short story, drama, and poetry. Is it clear? Hello, is it clear to you? Now, what main points you need to keep in mind when you are doing novel, short story, drama or poetry? See, every form is different. Na? In novel, drama, whenever you are studying novel and drama, what points you need to keep in mind? When you read novel, you have to see the plot, okay, that is content, okay, content of your novel, story of your novel, then characters, okay, then language, then style, okay, then narrative technique, okay, then setting. Is it clear? So when you, all these are elements of novel, okay. Novel, these are also elements of short story. What is the difference between short story and novel, or story or novel? Yes. What is the difference between short story and novel? Hello. What is the difference between short story and novel?
Ma'am, in novel we have a story very lengthy and large, and short story we have only 3-4 page story, like short.
Yeah. Hello, please switch off your videos. So you will not have any problem. Otherwise, you will have problem. The network issue will be there. Okay. So yeah, you are correct. That short story, as the title of the or story is short, and novel is much larger than the story. Lengthwise, this is the correct definition. What else? So when I say that all the elements of novel and short story are same,
Ma'am,
plot, content, yes, characters, language, style, narrative, technique, setting, yes. You want to say something? Hello? Anybody wants to say something? Hello?
No, ma'am,
Okay.
go ahead.
Okay, so there is a difference. Yes. Who has raised the hand? Want to say something? So when I say that these are the elements of short story, novel or story, plot, content, what is the story of the novel? What are the various characters in the novel or the short story? Please switch off your video. language, style, narrative technique, setting. Setting means where the story takes place, whether it's in Mumbai, Calcutta, okay, which city, which town is part of the story. What is the writer's language, Hindi, English, even if English, then Indian English, British English, American English. Style, whether the writer's style of writing, using language, telling story is difficult or simple. Narrative technique means how the story is told to you. Ramsha say, please switch off your video. Setting, where the story is located, whether it's daytime, night time, which year, 1975, 1976, 2020, like this. Is it clear? So these are the various elements of novel, short story or story. In drama also almost the same elements are there. Only few things are different. Elements of drama. Okay, what are the various elements of drama? In drama also the plot is there. Okay, then characters are there. Then language is there. Then style is there. Okay, then narrative technique, instead of narrative technique it's dramatic technique. Okay, and then setting, stage setting is more important in drama. Is it clear? Because drama is performed on the stage. Is it clear to you? Hello? So whether you understood what is the difference between drama and novel or short story?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
drama also plot is there, characters is there, language is there, style is there, dramatic technique is used. Instead of setting, stage setting is important. Correct?
वो पिज्जा को बोला जाएगा उसका नहीं दिया तो 5 रुपए आज नहीं है चलो ठीक है हो जाएगा तो है 5 ग्राम है 10 रुपए आज 10 रुपए तो 5 ग्राम 5 रुपए आप दोगे ना 10 5 तुम दो.
Is it? So this is clear to you what is what. Now what is important, because drama or play means that is stage performance, so stage setting is important. Is it clear? Next comes poetry. Next comes poetry. Now in poetry, if it is a story, suppose a story is told to you in the poetic form, then there will be characters, है ना? Otherwise in poetry the content will be there, but it can be in any form. It can be about any subject, war, suppose war, है ना? Or season, birthday. It can be on any topic, no? Content is there. Then language is important. Then style is important, style of writing poetry. Now how do you come to know that this is novel, short story, this is drama, this is poetry? How do you come to know that this is drama, this is poetry, this is short story, this is novel? Any one of you tell me?
I mean, drama we
By
can
the style
see.
of writing, we can understand whether it is a novel, drama, or poetry. In drama, basically, it is written in a conversation form. Then poetry may be 14 or 15 lines, and novel it goes in a straight way, like almost like short stories.
Anybody else would like to tell me anything else? Yes, somebody else was also speaking. One more student was saying now. Say hello. Somebody wanted to say something, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
She's
say,
right. She is right.
No, you can also say no. If you want to say something different.
I also want to say that
Same.
only.
Same.
Yes.
Exactly
Yes.
same. No two people
Yeah.
can think exactly same.
Like almost that. Like yeah.
Almost that is okay. But see, what is the difference through which you can say it's novel or short story, it's poetry, it's drama?
In poetry, ma'am, also we can see like it's rhyming word. Like in the end, it's rhyme.
See, if you see short story, novel or story, it is
Yes.
always written in prose form. Okay? Prose
Yeah,
form,
paragraph form.
paragraph. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
While if you see drama, it's written in dialogue. Is it clear? You told it is conversation, correct? Conversational style, correct?
Yes.
Dialogue or conversational style, you can say. Is it clear? Poetry is always divided into stanzas. So that is known as verse form. What is it known as? Verse form. Division into stanza if it is poetic language, rhyme and rhythm are used. Is it clear? Understood? I am asking you students. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So all of you have noted down this much. Should I erase it?
Yes.
Great, ma'am.
Yes,
Great,
ma'am.
great.
Okay, note down. No issues. I will wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has noted down. I can erase it. First line you must have written. So in poetry, it's written in stanza, divided into stanza. It is known as verse form. Okay, it has rhyme and rhythm. Is it clear? So this much is clear to you? Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, we use language to communicate. Correct? No.
Correct.
Hello.
Correct.
We all
Yes, ma'am,
use
correct.
language to communicate. Correct?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So you must know how to communicate. When the writer is telling story, the writer is also communicating to you. Correct? No?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So I am showing you one video on communication skill. Okay, I hope I am able to show you. Let us see whether it works or not. Is it 1 minute? Huh? You are able to listen?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute. You are able to
Okay,
listen
ma'am.
to the video?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. That's what I wanted to know from you, na? Let me see. Now you are able
No,
to.
ma'am.
1 minute. Now?
हाँ मैम मैम फुल
Yes,
स्क्रीन
ma'am.
करो ना
हाँ 1 minute.
ये छोटा छोटा दिख रहा है
1 minute. 1 minute. I am even increasing the volume so that you can listen to it well. But you
Okay,
please
ma'am.
mute yourself. Otherwise, what will happen? The background noise disturbs the lecture even. Please
Okay, ma'am.
do this first. It's audible or not?
No, ma'am.
No,
Not?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
1 minute. It's not audible.
No.
How is it happening that it's not audible?
Ma'am, you are audible.
Ma'am,
Video.
you have to go to the setting and make the screen audible.
I am asking about the video.
Yes,
Yeah, for the
ma'am.
video.
I can see.
No. I am saying you are able to listen to my video or not. That I am
Yes,
asking.
ma'am.
No, ma'am. No,
No.
ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Arre, how is
1
possible?
minute. Let me see again. Now?
मैम बहुत पतला हो गया था, दिख ही नहीं रहा था.
Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
You please mute your audio. Background noise will
Okay,
not
ma'am.
allow everyone to listen.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, I will have to do it that. 1 minute, I only do it. Let me do.
Yes, ma'am. You do it.
Otherwise, you people keep on switching on, switching off, no? So it creates problem. So if you want to develop your speaking skills, you need to start speaking in English. Nobody can teach you speaking unless you start yourself. To improve speaking skills, you have to focus on first vocabulary, then pronunciation, then intonation. Besides speaking, reading and writing are equally important. Why do you need to read? Because reading gives you knowledge. If you read something important, you will learn how to write something better. Reading gives you not only ideas, but the writing style of various types of writings. To improve writing skill, reading is important. So read something every day which is giving you some message. To improve your writing skill, you have to learn grammar. You have to learn punctuation. You have to learn how to form correct sentences. Reading and writing are interrelated the way listening and speaking are important. To improve your communication skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing are not only important but essential for job market growth. Nowadays, 21st century being the age of information and communication technology, you need to learn digital skills of communication as well. So you must learn how to send and receive SMS, WhatsApp messages, emails, etc. This will help you to develop your personality. This will help you to get good employment as well. Friends, I'm Sharmila Biludia from Nepal. So you understood something? It was audible to you or not? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? You were able to listen to the video?
मैम कुछ सुनाई नहीं दिया, एकदम चूहे जैसी आवाज आ रही थी।
चूहे जैसी
Yes,
आवाज?
ma'am.
हाँ मैम, एकदम चू चू करके आवाज आ रही थी, कुछ सुनाई नहीं दिया।
तो तुमने बोला क्यों नहीं? बोलना चाहिए ना।
अरे मैम देखो चैट बॉक्स में कितना बोला है।
चैट बॉक्स में सबने बोला है।
हाँ, अब आपने वो माइक ही बंद कर दिया तो कैसे बोलते?
अच्छा, मैं देख रही हूँ चैट बॉक्स में किसने क्या क्या बोला है।
हाँ मैम देखो देखो,
मुझे तो कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है।
मैम देखो देखो मैम, ऊपर जाके देखो मैम।
16 मैसेज।
No, ma'am, it's audible.
ये कौन बोला ऑडिबल? ये कौन है भाई तू?
Ma'am, your voice is audible clearly, but
Yes,
video
ma'am.
voice is not audible. Please
Hey.
check.
You students don't understand anything.
मैम कुछ समझा ही नहीं, वापस चला दो थोड़ा आवाज बढ़ा के तो।
अच्छा सुनो मेरी बात, तुम लोग अपना ऑडियो वीडियो ऑफ करोगे ना तो फिर तुम्हें सुनाई देगा।
मैम ऑफ ही था, मेरा वीडियो भी ऑफ था।
अभी ये किसका वीडियो दिखाई दे रहा है स्क्रीन पे?
कौन है भाई ये?
अभी सुन रहा है?
नहीं मैम, अभी भी चूहे जैसी आवाज आ रही है।
Ma'am, your voice is audible, but that video की voice is not audible.
हाँ वही पूछ रही ना, वीडियो की वॉइस ही पूछ रही हूँ। मेरी वॉइस जब वीडियो चालू है तो मेरी वॉइस नहीं, वीडियो की वॉइस सुन रही थी कि नहीं सुन रही थी?
नहीं,
Ma'am, voice सुन रही थी ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are audible on.
एक साथ everyone should not speak together na, then I will not understand what you want to say. If all teachers come to your class and start speaking together, will you understand?
ओ मैम, सब लोग शांत रहो, मैं बोल रहा हूँ।
एक जन बोलो, नहीं तुम मत बोलो, दूसरों को भी बोलने दो।
ठीक है मैम।
Any girl student?
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो।
Your audible is clear, but I think there net problem is there.
No. There's no net issue. Ma'am की voice is clear, but that video की voice is not at all clear. It's very low.
मैं
You need to increase the voice.
एक मिनट, मैं वीडियो की बात पूछ रही हूँ। सेकंड
हाँ मैम, वीडियो की आवाज नहीं आ रही है।
हाँ तो मैं वही पूछ रही हूँ। एक्चुअली क्या होता है, जब मैं सुनती हूँ मेरा खुद का वीडियो चाहे मैं मतलब YouTube पे सुनूं या Facebook पे सुनूं या मैं ऐसे सुन रही हूँ, तो मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है। अभी तुम्हें क्यों नहीं सुनाई दे रहा, वही मुझे पता करना है।
Even I also can hear your voice. I don't know why.
Ma'am, there's something wrong with the screen sharing.
नहीं, there is nothing wrong with screen sharing. Listen, you please switch off your audio and video. Then you bandwidth.
Or else you can wear your earphone or headphone,
हाँ,
whatever you have.
ईयरफोन और माइक्रोफोन वगैरह कुछ यूज करो तो
Yes,
तुम्हें क्लियरली सुनाई देता है। मैं भी वर्चुअल प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेक्चर अटेंड करती हूँ। मैंने इतने सारे लेक्चर्स अटेंड किए हैं अभी तक, सब जगह ये इश्यू आता है जो आप बोल रहे हो ना कि ऑडियो क्लियर नहीं है। कुछ अभी मुझे सुनाई दे रहा है, बट दूसरे पार्टिसिपेंट लिखते हैं चैट बॉक्स में इट्स नॉट ऑडिबल, बट मुझे तो क्लियर सुनाई दे रहा है एज ए पार्टिसिपेंट।
मैम, आपको सुनाई दे रहा है क्योंकि आप स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हो, इसलिए आपको सुनाई दे रहा है। हम नहीं सुन रहे हैं।
जिसके साथ स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है वो लोग को नहीं सुनाई दे रहा।
नहीं, मैं
अच्छा
ये
ठीक है
लिसन,
मैम, अभी आप वापस से एक बार लगा दो बस। हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे अच्छे से सुनने का।
अपना पहला ऑडियो और वीडियो स्विच ऑफ करो।
हाँ, सब लोग ईयरफोन अपने कान में डाल लो।
सब लोग पहले अपना ऑडियो वीडियो स्विच ऑफ करते हो ना, तो बैंडविड्थ का प्रॉब्लम नहीं आता। तुम्हारी तरफ से भी नेटवर्क का इशू हो सकता है ना। इज इट क्लियर? हेलो, इज इट क्लियर टू यू? नहीं समझ आ रहा अभी भी? कहाँ पहुंच गई? sharing. I am stopping sharing once because I don't know what happens.
I'm Sharmila Jadavia from Department of English in Gandhi International Autonomous College, October West. I am here to give you idea how to develop your communication skills in English.
Is it clear to you? अभी सुनाई दे रहा था? हेलो, अभी सुनाई दिया था क्या? हेलो, अभी
नहीं मैम,
नहीं सुनाई दिया। नहीं मैम, नहीं सुनाई।
मैम आपने क्या बोले, सुनाई नहीं
मैम
दिया।
एक काम करो, आप ये वीडियो ग्रुप में डाल दो, हम सब देख लेंगे।
हाँ, वो मैं
मैम।
ग्रुप में डालूंगी। मैंने FYBCon को डाल भी दिया है।
हाँ मैम, हमको भी हमारे इसमें भी डाल दो।
हाँ, बट तुम्हारा ग्रुप बनेगा तभी डालूंगी ना।
मैम हमारा ग्रुप है ना,
FIBA है ना, FIBA B डिवीजन।
हाँ, अलग अलग डिवीजन के ग्रुप बने हुए हैं ना, वो कॉमन है, उसमें CS के स्टूडेंट भी है। और
मैम डाल दो, चलेगा, सब में
हाँ,
डाल
वो
दो।
ठीक है। नहीं, मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ तुम्हें, वो ठीक है, तुम लोग FYBA इंग्लिश का भी ग्रुप बनाओ एक, ठीक है?
ठीक है मैम, ट्राई करते हैं।
अच्छा, 1 मिनट रुको, 1 minute, I am stopping screen sharing. Okay, now it's time for your another lecture, no? Correct?
Yes ma'am.
Ma'am.
So I am ending the meeting. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. आप बस मैम वीडियो